This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. Imagine your own new home built by one of the best. Traditional home with open floor plan. Features include crown molding on the first floor with 5-inch baseboard trim, stainless steel appliances, beautiful laminate wood floors, and granite countertops with a bar area that's great for entertaining. Step into the primary suite oasis tray ceilings with recessed lighting, walk-in closet with built-in shelving, private designer bathroom with dual sinks, and a custom tiled shower. There is no need to imagine because this can be all yours. Get in while it lasts and schedule your showing today. April 25, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Shauna Lane at 757-835-39.